watumie maybe dawa za kupanga uzazi in a very bad way. So andu azima bithaasi ana isu lakini ala maswime lasia izi ana ikumulo kesa kwithi ana sionekane simulo ku anduni izi ana ni faidika because for example in balang nisome abana nasome abetwa Kenya Institute of Special Education. One of my lecturers, Zach, is blind. He's blind. Na aende anosoma very soon atakuwa professor. Ku siana hizi umulo siana ngo opportunities siana link. Imezi dazi mboye record. Lakini hizi umulo ni sida kwa siana very successful in life. Kweza kwezi atina ando ngi notinda ku like you walk around Mlolongo kwezi ando ngi umatemba makwetu tukakule maigoya. Lakini mundu ethe empowered. Kweza kwezi anatu moya tu. No watu iko mwalimu, no watu iko kindu kingi useful. Kweza kwezi amane wa that opportunity. Successful.
How do you ensure they can't walk, they are paralyzed? How do you ensure that ni mwaibikia na mwasumia no isi pia ndo ngia bini yako ndwani mathina wheelchair mathina nini so maibanga ikaike kala yo ba no mbai mbako ndisinde they just give up mwiki tata kwikithia kana ni mwaibikia na mwaitethia
yunye abakwa nundu nakwya mabinda maingi nini thani MC cia thini na mina o MC wakwa ni ngasa ketha wina kana katona kwitha kena disability fulani uka mbone nikenda wa mbona timando ndo kyobika kise kakekwe assessment na wita kwa tono ka place ba pala bailete lakini you need to need more sensitization either in our churches ma pastor ma aware and wasuma siasa on the kwisa kwitha ni makwata na siana izi sumilwe na machifu wanda maitu saidia nundu wigwa nganyani wasiye na kana una ndwaiza okona lakini bai bicha miaka 15 wathi kwake withia iya kana tika katatembea na kana gukata wethaka itembea mao akili bado ni nzio kugetha nika nengi wo wheelchair kaka twa bajo itaoni theka kaka ne opportunity ya kusoma mtu anakuwa successful lakini yuko mabitha nundu a lack of sensitization lack of awareness kana kuyo school ito no tete sana taisu je kutumi kwethana mathina mabindamo
ateti baadhi ya Kenya mele othoki lava kwikithia kana mubya wake somo pamwana masukulu ni matwa ise kisomo kicha ndo alama mwandamanya kwanzia ela ya elite nisi ateti ni mama mabikiando kwa ndwane monona mama ndo sukumia kindu gikubikia serikali la nene
you ateti one thing that they should do no kusolve your mela conducive ya ndo aziweza kwetha mena disability ni mabikewa na kwekya budget uweza kwetha yuta then MP na CDF kimanzo kina cha mbesa ne kwacha kikaenda kutethesia alame na magudha mathuku uweza kwetha governor aisopio budget yake pia ukakati fulani ya kwanza this money tutatumia kusaidia wale watu ambao wajiwezi so in such a way weza kwetha ndo azino ma feel they are part of the society because kilango kita stigma mapinda mengi kitha kebo munoka sakwethia mundu ina disability onekana ni muiyo ni mzigo kwa watu wale wengine lakini should not be the case
so wendo mbia ndini wa county government by that budget aside ka people with disability
you ndinene ya makueni this financial year kana this budget ya mako ini noni mena that budget after public participation nyenaivo na raise that issue na say why can we have a budget fulani ya utere si andu amena disability ukesa kwithi ani mabikeka in a way onela ti usovyo mathau no ngetho tournament ukitho nino ni binaga makwende kuna MKJ Super Cup ya governor Mutula no to need kwitho na mathau ma andu ala mena disability kwesa kwitha na mono metha me factored makathau kwa basketball makathau kwa volleyball makekata makasemba makekata you see ndo taiso kuona mo no my about access in a way they should also be factored in the budget making processes
madawala nelo miona ni ma amputees na weza mona la kuyo londo mewila ndwani no wila bando na hata bamwe so no endekethia wisethia ni makonwa
muno pyu kwanza nimekwa kwanza ela elite pyu na mayambe ya kuma shinani weza kwetha ndo tambe ya together of course no meka wata yuko nena madhawa ma special schools madhalile no mind I think me regionals kana somewhere so no metha auko lakini you ni weta in the sense ya ila to solve these tournaments ya governors ya chao weza kwetha na mono metho me factored no metha no masemba ingi amputees yesu weta na tio na moko ya mesi akane opportunity yo semba tio wasema na either yo exposed to the world
wambia kana funding vivo no kuona thimbia ni kwikithia kana ilasi cia andu ala mamuntha me mwanya ni cia kwa ningi komesa ekalila ibili la ro akelime ekalila kana indi kuvika kwa sukulu undu makavika undu makekala obu sukulu serikali kweli nona yanite betha ile baadhi ya wasianite kana nipe undu malite kangambe yake.
Okay, malite kuongelanga no ndo so those special facilities yeah those kids with special needs. Okay, no in our school guess they are no matatete makaka ramps makeke guardrail so kata kana kai waluka ange maka provide wheelchairs na sindu to sit assistive devices. Ko serikali should budget more money for those special needs schools ikandaweza kwenda ni say well funded hizi ana siamba kwenda mbele na comfortable life maisha comfortable in the school sikayone sana ndo weza kwenda sainge ona disability angimena multiple disabilities either kaikona na kaikiwa at the same time kana kayotembea na kaikiwa na kaikona ko ne me need special care na be andu azu alama mateke yake au maindo ko yodo ndo nakwa most of these schools sia disability ni boarding schools ko kwa house mothers kwa house fathers
kweli serikali ni ikite numbers ya house mothers do not take care of ciana no kana ciana isi asimona nya neba kube nakana kakwa nyindo no kapangula nesi bya lama nyindo no kapangula nesa no ndukali kwa ne ko thulekelelwa kaithambwa nesa kweli serikali ni ikithite kana alimu kana mothers yano ni meanite na ni meo take care ciana undu bailite
so far ni nendete school migiza those special needs I think they are taken care of well school ila niendete ndo tio na kwa nenete Joytown Thika izu ni the ILB school for the deaf why in their dorms they are very clean the mothers in fact they go a long way in making sure that the kids are taken care of kuno ni zondo wetakiwa sio makea makaze nikonaona kana kaenda kwa kaenda thina ta be na disability autism siana si autistic ni thina sia mono kweza kwethe anike ono sia ndo mono lakini if you go to those institutions unapata the house mothers there they try so much to maintain hygiene, to maintain standards. Ilenzio kuzizio kano kesa kwethe anoketha kathamba kethangwa ndeu na you bear me witness beti ila we ndo school hizo na go kasani how the mothers manage. First I congratulate them because the schools are very nice
and they are very clean
and they are very clean and they are very clean so I think government in a way I want to congratulate them ndo ni matatamu no to make sure that those schools are well funded and their kids are well taken care of ndo muzene kwiwa thina itwakana kake ekwikala nako for example kemiaka monza kathio nena kaikwiwa nthi maybe sometimes kayotembea ko no ewe thina aikatwa kundu kweni ona kaenda thina lakini I encourage them wapeleke watoto kwa saidiwe
ni wazi kana serikali ni litoko ni andu ala mamuthamanya mwanya thini wa budget making kuone kumanja kana meko na we in any percentage kana be kiwango kina makonete.
Okay, I think there is a peo kila kiwango makonetwe lakini we should be added. Uweze you ilangwazi ya in the budget making process. Tozi induce public participation. So you takaundi let's say kasi induce public participation. Nisi ailete kwa sia you because ila twaenda those public participation forums where they are no andwala mena mamudhala masio no mome one. Ugeza kwethia you andwala matekwe gandi be ba interpreter ba chau whether no we ona whether ane de kuonekana ta wivo nondo ideas zake cionekana itailete kwethuke so ne mailete kwetha you kweza kwetha neta be kwiwa in these public participation forums ne mailete kwetha be representation ya andu azu kweza kwetha ne manewa manona ukewa you that andu 10 andu atatu ne mailete kwetha mena disability nikenda na mama nenge na mawoni mo in the budget making process yeah
twalikande ni wa health ya ndo no methe wa mamuthamia mwanya nuona kweli masibitali mosete wondo na woito ndo masibitali mengi nyane ndiao na dakitali either wa sign language interpreter kana wa yeah
those are things that we are discussing and we are asking niki waenda hospitali mbingi okwethia no nurse no then ability ya utumia sign language yobo kama mundu otekwiwa mbi akekana na akata kuno vailete kwitha na sign language interpreters in those hospitals nikenda makatethesia andu ala matekwiwa mbi kaza kwitha na muno makwata huduma nuno na mume ona right ekena other Kenya ya kwata huduma za hospitali so I think those things are in the pipeline ndio wasaidike pia wapate huduma kama Wakenya wale wengine. Yeah.
Because na feature story ngine asisi no mwa yasia aendie ku sort out issue ya family planning.
Yes.
But ndakitali we say ya mona, what are you planning?
What are you planning? You ndio onekana chita mondo. Na you ekakuiwa all other body functions they are okay. No male families me chao you Kajiado wangu kuogea ni that's Ilbisil School for the Deaf. We have a deaf teacher. We to Gideon Saitoti. Kimwana very sharp. Mundu mwema novyo anaweza sindu. Na anaambia mtukera itwana. So anataka na kwenda services sisi ya family planning ikana chao. So adhiku kuweka wazi nduizi no lazima ethe mundu wese na sign language ni kanaweza kwenda ma communicate. Otherwise akikosa kuzipata there will be zero communication. Na whether zero communication ndio kwa kelaile itakuwa kwa nondo ni mundu.
Urona rabia ateti ata ala matosa kendo kina woito no selling market akwasya anando asu me ID na imakona akura lakini my value watu na kuya ateti meke ata akwikithia kana ndo ani makuwa makone twendeni wa serikali oni makuwa at least mena mumbunge kana o MCA o matethi
Ukilando na kuya ateti ni kana mama include in their committees. For example ta CDF committee ta CDF committee no thani mutetio serious na wezi kelekwe ekweka no ile to kwetha inclusive aka include yo mundu umwe utekwiwa nthi kana ote onena kana uyo na mamuthazu me mwana usukumetwa na ka wheelchair kweza kwetha ala me onene asindu cia CDF kana sindu ta izu nimekwasya hata sisi tunataka tufanyiwe hiki hata sisi tunataka soko whether ni governor kweza kwetha no asolve soko friendly to the alama sukumetwa na wheelchairs ukeza kwetha onate kwa asu me kwa hii committee kwa ndo alangi mokite sokoni mokite otho wasindu mate na mamutha masio kweza kwetha nime usukuma nesa makoka makatho wasindu sio whether ka wheelchair ni motorized ni watu no tio na kone saka liko sokoni ateo ni di whether kwe kundu kwe stairs nde ambata nde kata ko the politicians themselves whether elected aspiring normally together matesi ile these people who have special needs kana men and disability how can I include them in my government ama in my CDF committee ama in my ward committee kada sieko na pia employment opportunities whether MCA na PA na secretary kana whatever ndize ndineona MC wagu kuito andikite o mundu wa moko wa with disability maybe nongwe somanga na wetha umanze wake makio andikite lakini ndisi
ndini wa ward kana iliombunge kwena representation any ya ndola memotha memanya matona kwasya unu we witu tukamoto mapa yembe.
Yeah, that grouping Association of Physically Disabled of Kenya na you in my local village you obukasikio dineamba kuona very representation lakini nondo no ne and they won't end up with sindu maybe in future elangu etha nambe ya nengo mamanda na ndimeama form
future yambe
if you say now ambe you say there nene kali nena ma form of so your lobby group ko ka fight ya for their rights because with ya ona mono ma demonstrate tukazi yo mundu kuyando atano ma demonstrate so kono wasolotani mayazi atienda teko na atienda interpreter ba hospital
actually you no kita mungu kuulia if they want either ni makwenda kuandamana tando anangero wakwenda kuandamana meka hata either maina representative na matona ikata nikana kiyo choweki we say the HIWeka.
I think some of people may operate here in their own small ways, but they need a higher voice. With the name we can come ngo na nimedhame na makane wa funding kidogo kwa sababu ya tuona kwa ofisi kazi ofisi akasikio wa ndala mena mamudhame mwana funded ni CDF kana no county government ya makwani wenda mathina makwe na mudhame mwana unapeleka hapo shida zako na kama kuna your rights that have been violated pia unapeleka shida zako pale unakuwa sorted.
Now given a chance okanengo o mwanya wa utongoi kwanza nikasikeo ye wane wakasikeo nicha ukwenda kana mitala tala ibabikite ku implement ekwikite kana ndwane matetheka kana maundu ala matekitwe ndwane apart from anome mamutha memwanya withe vya kisio cha kunicha ila nicha kitekitwe
Okay. You Kenya na kasikyo specifically kwezi ndubinge muno iteketu in the right way because nyende anako 1996 u 1998 you know not with you saying na mathematica kwa u kana ke kuno ndo ibine uba ikumbinge na matuku the same is happening why should what was happening then and kwenda kwenzo ku saying why should it happen in 2025 people should have moved at least a little bit faster kwa hizo ni sindu mugwendo sisi amaitu kwize kana no tomawe metongi no makuye for so long na mongo na hizi zienda zimundozo ani ometoke sindu kesa kwete atwe slow muno no so ani ometoke kama naye amaitu aye manoye me utakiu makauna nguo makaithia mangoi makaithia ng'ombe na wewe ono mmekuwa kweza ile ameka la mano etu na maye mo wana maye kala maye ita nai so no zio ukamate thezio zino mukeza kwete amaye kweka you aenda ko yoni with almost every homestead has a piped water running water
lakini kono kuno si maybe masia it's green akiuke bakubi nisila ila mindi okambani ai kwengwa kiwo
na pasa mentality is your company ya kwazi ate ya thina zacio thini yo yananga why should you have a borehole na kiugiro sokoni hizo koni kitwaiwo no kieto kukwendu no kieto kukwendu na andu tene no na yu andu ko ya muzema ke wai chimbeni ka pipe na ndiete I pipe na ndiete plumber mondo professional I connect you to supply good twin
ulokwenda ose
what is hard in that lakini tuenda autumia those to shida nikaenda tu twenda campaign platform ya utabi andosi hapana haiwezi kwa hivyo all through ni lazima tu change how we do things in Ukambani tuweka utinda ka labeling kawazi okamba kwenza okamba kwicha mundu one kupake ni wavanda sukuma ni wavanda spinach ni wavanda nania onetha duweza kwitha no wetha watiteke so nina mikakati fulani na kindu kimwe beti ngwenda gutabia use yazi isi ngwenda kunazio kamba next 2027 indira ndinenga ndo kindu undu ndinacho
ko mama mara ya kwetene
na mara kwetene in fact ni mama liton support ni mama liton support niti kivile undu idea no onenga ndo sindu after nasa kwa
but ateti mama soesi mama manezi ke
ni narrative ingina nicho Gen Z kukitia maikwa na adults maitwa ndo tina maga ya banga line ite kwathi hapana we need to change that we need and mama nei nitia na mutongo yote kwenda temo sakwa no ndwena philosophy no and policies and kwikona tamo sakwa nikenda yu tamo sakwa ya makweka maondo azu tamo tabisi ne mbeo tu ya ile mbezi ya kwa namo nengetize ngwambo tunga nundu mwaka wambe etha ndatunga
ila wa mune
mwaka wa keli aya yikanga otwendo mwaka wa tatatu ayambe ya siasa yu amunengenge nikendea osenge so nikasako kocha na kate sothela so we want to change that narrative kunyi nikando makasikyo ngekala ndio nam nime kibela tije muimbi yeneti na nyendina kindu ningi mwalimu kupembesa bingi lakini ninyomo kanza pot mwenda ni kayata ngeti kula mukambia ikalela mota nene takwebya bibiti enda kayata na dithine nam tinene yandu temei this is what we want to do na take a plan nunu mabinda mengi there you and the public participation and what they want they don't know. It is like ni kindu prepare waku or understand
okay
tisa sawa go together atikale tika discuss tikaseba katembo nitienda ball tikambo discuss yotuzu
wendo pia public participation lasi ikawa mono mawone la manenga wa mauwani ene mainenga wa wito ndo metha mo kiteta mo
of course they are not ndo metha mo kito na mo metha mo kito kwe wai you mona nye no tumbanie lakini bekela ke kwendekana bekela ke kwenda keko we have to change these narratives Kenya ina resources bingi mna embeza bingi but the money goes to waste the money is just wasted the money itumo ndo naye nangio mayoya weza kwetha mundu no muna amoni mu za water MC MCA na after 2 years yote wana wake ngoloba ya nomba ngoloba ya 10 imbezo nisi
ila siena
tuila situ koni and we need audit leaders makuli how are you able to achieve this within this short span of time okay achieve yet we can get miujiza hiyo kwa hiyo Yesu I know boya mbeza
but aingi mo masia maweta wundu anena lakini mami no so kwa mathi ba embe mayulwa ni ala inende
niwo I understand what you are saying ini mola wa muno makolo kesa kwethia ni mola ni
onazimu maileo sa maikolosa
ni mai maosa lakini I think mavinda mengi tekwa makosa simu you for example you ta kisio cha kasikio kina ando 20,000 twasi umavota alama to kana alama na simu to nako ni simu beti uka una simu nano mili 20 kweli no session
of which on the maiso on the maikona but ibinda ile oneta sia kura simuzo no sa kosa niki wote kosa wa mino sa kwa
ni ngwelwa kilo weta ko no isino sindo sia penia nanye ni asia ni asia simongosa manza kwa na naye maosa niwezi notongeza simu if I find your miss call Betty nitona kwa simu yengune hao wenda kindukena na ilete kukunenga kulia we asiata or later in the day naweza kuandie mbese maybe ni ombunge ni okwata ni committee fulani kunga kunyo later ngokulia ndi nonye wengunete simu ya whether we kwa asiata yes
toko na mujo loyo wa Gen Z
mujo yawe wa mwingi pyo
we no kwiwa we no tona ni kweli na Gen Z no sike ku inject every now and then
Gen Z nando na not education nondo that their time is now we have to listen to them nondo mena akili mbingi bio na most of them maina maondo mengi mekweka ko unless you to man the ondo to education na kumeka liambi na team whatever this is what we want to do na nene ma engage amo no majenzi azunyi I talk to the youth most of the time either in church kana ko ngede ondo mena really on the on majenzi azu kama neni kama kulia yumwende hata amu twendera hata kupikia bu mwana talita ikata makanda bya yu kiala yu na noko na mawe maikwe nona teka lawa bai kama yadi kala kwa nuko ketodala no we must get away of you being busy or na do you need we kazindu out of this world you go kala ngweta tikaze bai tibingi yekiwo na tienda mu ikawabana mubande osindwi osukuma ukaza kwethia kwacha no kwa mkaulukite for to doing something no kwacha ti kutinda waleta moko kutinda kuneta mwanaziasa simu aengathie ndo maybe biti ngathie 20 you know that kind of life kana ukaenda sokoni weteleta mundu uwechai you see our youth are desperate. They are desperate, very desperate. Don't remember in our many months or me. But that is not to mean twalitekana na mama kekalu we must deliberate to make a deliberate choice ya ndo meokwetha me engaged constructively either no most of the time we blame them because you are lazy mutindi kwa social media mpost zindu baigyo ndo mweka wewe no kuchati najua mo chati yakata bayo ndo ngokwethi
muthenya wayo no la bisawa polisi kuteka kana ni wa wathie text message la weme atiani one no leile on evidence ya umwana leile how do you say about this I don't ndize ni meter pettiness yi kana ni meter like police
no ando dishonest you tona kwaze tu hata na niwe nito kwa niwe and the same dishonest no yetu metekenya is very corrupt and we are warm unaona zindu za corruption especially Utamoskalius kwa nini anakatana tunamwona ni yeye why do we have very corrupt traffic police officers mundu ngametelelwa kanenga mbesa na mabinda mengi I think no more lot mkuku kwa ziano si because you ni na my daughter grade 6 grade 5 so you oila niende tena ke ataona tungamona askali na ataona go maru angulia mwa askali ama kenda sio ndaleva mama imatokeje niki you is with in a very weird situation kwa kila bantu pale askali kejo ndaleva kejo ndaleva ona no ulichocho kwa katokeje ai kazi
wende zikila kitha chende ba hotel
no mana nimezio mana nikina unaona ndaleva Nuona ndaleva ndete cast ndete wala nuona ndaleva ndete conductor
you kila serikali tona kwika ni cha kwikiteka na ulusani wa thela nizi wa ulusani wa wambia kwa yulu ngothe yako ndi tukase wambia ndi wambatite yulu ni cha kila serikali ilita kwika ni cha witekite ya ilita kwika kwikiteka na ndi ya Kenya ni athine ulusani ni wa thela na maondo ame kuna muikai watulia
you betie ulusani ula we Kenya ndo ambe yako yono nina ndo na kwazo ulusani wambe yako even from the way we bring up our kids to siange tu sia to encourage corruption ilo kwa kana kangu tumendukane no ithio ko ya ndasi
Kuka motivate.
no that's motive ukeza kwithia kana walito ukatuma ukakathie wikia kangutume na ndio nenge mbezi cia ndasi why should you do that? That's already is corruption. Yeah? You kana kaka yewa kese kana nikenda ke kondo no lazima kana another extra thing na guno kai ano kai vya fees no gwekata. You see na ndo ofisini no ko ofisini for example bet you kada ofisini if you do something why do you want me to give you a token? Nyina so midata ne mwalimu why do I have to have a trip to Mombasa yebeto nasi and then mwebeta
Mombasa trip yuzi mwetha matira kusoma ningi
no pe ingui wa motivational trips ya limwa ya zima evengilile ya izotwa alimu never why should that happen? Why should amuskali kongamalelo anikenda nundo okie kwa chani munenge ya nara nche you are doing your job na no in your musala pe kindu factory to chonuza chichako tinyi na ile to provide you waenda kuoyolo ende you corruption ikite kwera ya mbesa mbingangi.
Okay.
So what? Kuonde yoko ya tobeso twini. Ondo tutona kwetha tuimela tuyana. Lakini kuyo lekite wewe nini? So you kilati tona ika no kwetha tiona Kenyans tikaswani ondo tutotio kona sindu. Ondo wabinda mengi tikona sindu nai. Nataka kona sindu nai tiambio blame the system. Na itu we encourage that. You did tutona twemolea nikitwenga ndikazi. Wanenga ne thiana tiuma. Lakini na wewe ana yenga na ile
ningi na twekwa na tuonga mwabutu selewa bala twendete.
In fact you ona boy mungu na weta akasi askari mali teta na body cameras tiondo kwa US kwetha askari akicommit a crime inakuwa recorded nione lakini yutu camera tuona roho Kenya.
Will that happen in Kenya?
No yeah happen lakini oketha mavinda mengi katema via kamera kio lakini ngayo thukuma kana kaziwa no zino wewe yikone so na lazima tuwe na conversation ile Kenyans from kuma schooluni oila tekwaza tekwembewa tukwembawa sia tuizie empower in what way nondo stikazie onese sisi kana kwe ando normally tukweza matena corruption ando normally tukwe kozindu nesa nondo nasiona nando kweza ndo need ubush ndio need naenda spirale solotani ni lazima nisena na daktari fulani ni what services ndio need nenda kwenda kwa Ministry of Immigration ndio passport ningu need kwetha nisena na mundu nikena ngwate services kwenda huduma center ndio need kwetha nisena na mundu ngwate birth certificate yakana kako and that thing can happen if we Kenyans sat down within ourselves tutetheigwe ni kanisa nono na ono yengire sio sanya ikatoka tutethesia ma pastors kweza kwetha no matu nengo mioloto na tweka asindu very open kweza kwetha atu transparent because in open na sindu zizo ngana mbenes
iyo be atongo kanisa me komanete na President William Ruto na kwanza matani ndio mono niko komana na ake na masia ni walero ne ngomwanya kathukuma kanisa ila anumake usukumia itete nende choki ina chotono kiwetata.
Okay, in the church we are very genuine. They are very genuine people. Mekwende osekenyo sio. Na in the same breath, we are very selfish. Most of those state house visits ni as mundu selfish ya kwenda kugain osindu yake na kwenda kweta narrative ya kana the church is supporting William Ruto which it is not. Which it is not. Mundu wina conscience sio sio sindu kuna wa ndeza kwenda state house yake itizindu kana akatula zindu. No the constitution says very clearly kana development yale itakuti every part of Kenya irrespective of whether no akoniye Ruto kula kedha ndo amukunia kedha taithi to support ya Kalonzo to support Ruto we should get development like another Kenyan so the idea ya kwenda state house ati kutula zianduku nineze kuona madam mungu who does that Kenya no one is there who does that so we need to respect institutions the church should play its part pio ugeza kwetha yiko kanisa ni
ndona ni strategy ya President Ruto kutumia no ndwisi ene ndi meki ya muno mapasta kila warawe pastor wa kunito wiki ya
and the same strategy na trickery watumia hiyo 2022 the same narrative will use atatumia tu hiyo kanisa na ndo andruithi ma Kenyans ndio yake ando makanisa muno in the next 2 years no weza kwego ando ingio mayazi yo Ruto tosha lakini I'm telling you people are fed up ando asima kanizo mathi alame othi nondo mono mind ye na mwazi nye mind ye nje zini makanizo nondo na makanizo ndio malama zitamo nige kanisa ene zito yana ona use TV on the ndo mana yetu hata I don't think they are serious people and they represent the Kenyan church. Maybe no a small portion of people alangwaza no selfish na mwa kuma na bashi osia brown envelopes which of course I cannot confirm lakini ni sio hapo.
Tunabo minukilia. Utona kwa ata yulu wa serikali kukonya andola mema mutha mema nyandeni wa utongo kweli utongo inunengetwe ndeni wa ngabasi osia serikali ni manengete myanya andola mema mutha mema nya makatongo sia kana moneka matatonya.
Okay, serikali no nenganete mana pele ito affirmative action no nenganete mana ando asime na mabudha mema na pesa kwenda kwa nomination ya members of parliament kuna wale wanakuwa nominated percentage fulani ina mabudha asime mana my women rep Rose Musio she's one of those special needs and she is doing well in Makueni County as a women representative na no kana asindonesa. So it means if these people with disabilities they are given opportunities to lead, they can become very good leaders. So kila charity people ni wapatiwa opportunities like any other Kenyan, mane wa platforms yo whether ni ko campaign. Whether no ma campaign no me kata. Well, I think there is a senator who is blind nominated in this any ODM kana nicho. So those opportunities should be there and they should be opened up. You can always go there and wazume mamudame mana. No, ma feel part of the society because they are our friends, they are our sisters, our brothers. They are part of the Kenyan family, and so they should be treated well. Many opportunities the Kenyans. You can always agree that ma feel part of this great nation.
Nizitu minukilero na radio mosiaise wetu wa Mutongo TV ata yolo wa we mwene ta mwalimu na we mwene ta politician.
Okay, kilando no tabia musiaizi wa Mutongo TV ne kana mbe siana hizo sina disabilities. Tafadhali tusiwafiche. Tuwatoe, tuwapeleke shuleni, tumatoe skulu wese kwetha nema kwata opportunities tando alangi. Kinukila kingi no tabia musiaizi wa Mutongo TV ne kana nye kiala wa mutwa nye kuya 2027. Ngetha ndi hasia kibila chaka sikio cha MCA ninguchenda na ngetha ndi hasia kana ningetha ndendo lukuma enende makasikio in a very transparent way, in a very open way, to engage na tuinena nya na tuinene amaendeleo makasikio tuemwe na ende cha mweso kelando no wetandika na let us maintain peace. Kenya ni yetu na bibandu bangete to noi nyina Uganda ninde Tanzania no na Rwanda na ninonete what not disability, what lack of peace can make a country to be. So let us maintain peace all the times. Ona tu demonstrate tuweke kwananga zindu ziandu. Let us walk in the streets, tubebe mabango yetu, tuseme one time ama tuseme nini, lakini tudumishe amani. Na ende cha mweso ndia sekana it is better kana ni laisi kusovya kana katweka mundu muima musio kute kusovya mundu muima wanangeki mundu muima tweke useless mundu muima onayo musio na atweka so tusovye tutete zisi ana izu na ondinene azindi mina beti nundo no nene na asindu mbingi maskulu tasomea ti primary for example nda soma kyangwane primary na enda Paul seminary maskulu azutasomea kindly tusovye alumni strong alumni kweze kwethe not to go back to give back to the society either as mentors kana ndo mato no solve infrastructure nondo nazingia muno ndio sisi ya TV ni school weka ngundo we in a very bad state does it mean by the alumni by ndo masomea school zima tona kwazi ai noto sovyo kwa WhatsApp group tikazango ngilile kila mundu tiko kwa mabati masio tikazovyo school so let us learn as Africans tazo yo nengo naso muzindo muno oyo no tete you neithiene. Let us go back to those schools. Let us talk to those children. Let us motivate them. Let us tell them we can do. Or to try to engage you. I can't go no okay na Suzuki kako. Because when I grow up, I want to drive a car like this one. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher like Kiala. When I grow up, I want to go to the studio. Ne TV to present at Betty. Undu we smart you guys with us. Yana no seriously motivated. So Betty, kile nasema ni Wakenya tudumisha amani, tufanye kazi pamoja na Mungu atatubariki. Na hindi ndimina ni Zambia niwe anandumia message baya ni ukethie muno na niwe kanesa ndo tethecia ukesa kwithia kisiono chama na kamba ni wamanika na akamba thini tegia kwanza te masagu kitui na nakweni tuko kila mahali na Mutongo TV zicho kila bantu pia munana ono ndumia zimu message bawe mbia wizisia kuma diaspora we UK ka student geto Gideon Bithi. So watu wanafanya kazi na watu tunaendelea vizuri. So thank you very much.
Ni muvea nondu akuetikila guka kunena nyana ene ndini kwata ni mama na yolua kumelia ciani lazima muthame mwanya wikithie kana ni cia tetheka ni cia kwata kisomo na kukwata kisomo ni gukumanenga opportunity ya kwiso kwatwa mwanya wa serikali no kesethia ni matambulika na undu vailite. So ni ebindo ya twala wingi ngauthocho ingi ukewende kunena na mono ndo maundu ti maingi so ngauthocho o ingi.
Thank you very much Betty.
Ni muvia museisia wa Mutongo TV no gukwatiania naito na ndio lilikanya nzia nzao yotho wa credit ya teke airtime webini ya *831# *831# ekunenga option na ya kutho wa credit either niwo kwitho ya kana ndo tho ya mondonge no utho ya mondonge ona ebala we either ilobi the Mombasa no mutho wa credit witumia teke airtime weke *831# kunenga option iswile your number my number kana ya mondonge usakwelo kwenda wiki amount ilo kwenda wiki pin yako na indi credit ya kutoka mituki kwa mituki na bengwa kindo otlo kana bengwa transaction cost na usiolo wibo pyu no kwata 2% interest kana wetongo 2% ya credit kila watho so story bambe story shike witumia teke airtime na indi no umye mawoni maukonia teke airtime usela nambani ya otomani mukuvye ili itatokenda imwe 5 wambise na neno teke wambise na ndeto teke ni kana urutavye indi teke airtime wewe kutwaita atani nzio ye kana tinzio ende tuma mawoni maku ni muvyano ndo kukwatiania naito kuma ila twambise kilungu kitu ngina muthia wa chone ni kwendea muthenya wa kwa ila nito Betty wa Mwanya.